condo.
Woo!
Heavenly
Heavenly
Daze.
Daze.
So excited to have you part of the family, part of not just Beneteau, but South Coast Yachts. You've met Barrett, right?
Yeah,
And Lily.
We're happy you're staying here, so congratulations.
That'll be quick. Some Vouv, nice rosé, that's beautiful. Some Mai Tais, and there's waters and sparkling waters.
Great,
Okay.
thank you.
Some Leisure Lagoon.
Look at that, look at the hats.
Some hats.
Oh, thank you.
And this.
Oh my
You're
gosh.
not probably gonna need this today.
Wow, that's great.
Oh,
I love
thank
it.
you.
The Beneteau thing on there.
Yeah.
That is great.
But maybe
Oh my
tomorrow
gosh.
morning, or I don't know.
Yeah. Well, actually, I didn't bring anything with me that would keep me warm.
That's perfect.
So this is, look at this. Woo!
I love it.
I guess you gotta do the same thing. Yeah. There you go.
Congrats on your big day and your new Swift Trawler 41. This is really exciting, and we're gonna fire her up and go for a ride and cruise out past Point Loma with a drone, get some beautiful shots of the boat. So ready to go, Eddie? All right, we'll do it.